Hello everyone, here's another unboxing video, and this time we're going to unbox the T-Force Delta Max RGB SSD. So now I'm going to open the box. I'm gonna open the box. And here's the SSD. Oh, this is gonna be a fingerprint magnet. And here's the hard drive. Here's the cable. The header to the RGB cable or outlet from your motherboard, and here's a USB 2.0 header to micro USB. This is to power the RGB lights of the hard drive. And here's a manual, and here's a cloth to wipe the hard drive, and that's it. That's what's inside the box. And okay, I'm gonna read what's the specs. So here it says it's a SATA 3 interface. It uses USB micro B for RGB signal. Its voltage is 5 volts for the RGB, and the SSD operating temperature 0 to 70 degrees Celsius. Dimensions is 100 by 69.8 by 9.5 millimeter. That's length, width, and height. And for performance, it claims that it has 560 megabytes per second and a write up to 510 megabytes per second. Okay, here's the box. For benchmarking, I'll be using the Crystal Dismark, and I'll also be using the Windows Task Manager. Next, I'm going to try to copy games from my NVMe SSD to the T-Force Delta Max SSD. This is for testing the write speed. My NVMe SSD is an ADATA SX8200 PNP, as seen on Task Manager. Finally, I'm going to use Epic Games to verify the game data. This is for testing the read speed.